Now the next question is, write a program to create a list and replace all the elements in the list by 10 if the elements of the list are greater than 10. So here we are going to change the values of the list. Now see this example. Here A refers to the values 100, 2, 45, 50. Now in the question, they asked us to replace all the elements in the list by 10 and they have said one condition. If the elements of the list are greater than 10. So they have added one condition, that is, if the elements of the list are greater than 10, then we have to change the values of the list by 10. Okay, we have to change the values of list by 10. Now we are checking the first element, that is a of 0 is greater than 10. If a of 0 is greater than 10, then we have to change that a of 0 to 10. That is, in a of 0 it is 100. Now a of 0 should be 10. So we can write a of 0 equal to 10. That means 100 will changes to 10. Now we are taking the next value, a of 1, and we are checking whether it is greater than 10. The condition is false because it is 2, 2 is greater than 10, condition false. Now next is a of 2. From the index 2, we are taking a of 2 is greater than 10, that is 40. The condition is true. Then we have to change a of 2, that is 40. We have to change the value. The value is present in a of 2. So we have to change a of 2 equal to 10. Now 40 will change to 10. Now next we are checking a of 3. A of 3 is greater than 10. A of 3 is 5. 5 is greater than 10. Condition is false. Now next we'll take the next index value, that is 4. A of 4 is greater than 10. A of 4 is 50. 50 greater than 10. The condition is true. Then we have to change this 50 to 10. So 50 is located in the index 4. So we have to write a of 4. We have to change the value. So we have to write a of 4 equal to 10. Suppose we want to change the index value, we can write I equal to I plus 1, like that. If we want to change the value of a particular index, we can write like this, a of I equal to the value. Okay, if we want to change the value, we have to write a of I equal to. So while we are writing the program code, we have to write I equal to 0. Then we will be writing while I less than length of a. Then here we will be writing the condition if a of I is greater than 10. If the condition is true, we have to change the value of a of I equal to 10. A of I equal to 10. Then we have to increment the value of I equal to I plus 1. Now see, in the beginning, the list was 100, 2, 40, 5, 50. Now, after changing, the list changes to 10, 2, 10, 5, and 10, right? 50 changes to 10 here. So, while we are writing the program code, after creating the list, you have to display the list. Just write print the list name. Then, after making the changes to the list, again you have to display the changed list. Okay. Now we can write the program code. So already the code for creating the list is there. After creating the list, we can write the print statement, print the list. We have to print the list. So we can write list is. Then we can write the name of the list A. Now we can access the elements of the list and we can change the values. While I less than length of A, then we can give the condition if a of I is greater than 10. Then we have to change the value of a of I equal to 10. Then we have to increment the value of I equal to I plus 1. We have to write I equal to I plus 1 while I less than n. Then we will make the changes. Then we have to increment the value of I. So in this way we will be changing the values. Now again, after making the changes, we have to display the list like this, print list after modification. We can write like that, list after modification. Then we can write A. One more thing I have to say, A is a list. It contains values 10, 20, 30. See the index value 0, 1, 2. Now I want to change the value of A of 0 to 100. It is possible. A of 0 equal to 100, then 10 will be changes to 100. Then if I want to change A of 2 equal to 60, I can do like that. A of 2 equal to 60. This is possible because list is mutable. The data type list is mutable. We can make changes inside the memory of the list. And this is the answer.